Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshots on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that you can do in order to take a screenshot is to press the power button and the volume down button together. So press and hold it, and then you will see that you make a screenshot in the bottom left corner. Another thing that you can do is open the quick access. So let's swipe from the top to the bottom twice. And then over here you should be able to find the screenshot button. In my case it is located over here. If I press on it, then I will do the screenshot. In addition to that, there's also a gesture that allows you to take screenshots in a quick manner, and that is by pressing 3 fingers on your screen. So press and hold it, and there you go, we have taken the screenshot. If that doesn't work for you, you need to go to settings, and then in the settings find the gestures, and then over here you have 3 finger screenshot option, and make sure that this option is enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.